Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to pay tax on Interactive Broker. Now first, what you need to do is come here, okay, log into Interactive Brokers and click on Performance and Reports, okay, and select Statements. And in the Performance and Reports page, there's several options available. And what I want you to do is go ahead and select Activity in the Statements tab. Now, why we're doing this? Because we need to know how much profit we made, right? How much returns we made so that we can know how much tax to pay based on that. So here, I want you to pick the annual period, choose the year. Language, you can keep it English, whatever language you would like. And then you can go ahead and select, PDF, HTML, or CSV, whatever is applicable to you. And then just go ahead and download that. Okay. And then once you're done, you can just go ahead and submit the files to your tax wizard. So open the tax wizard software. Okay, you can come here and get the software. It is a reasonable price. It is 25 euros for the premium one, which is needed, and it is, one time only payment. You don't have to pay a subscription. Okay, it's not a subscription model. So you just open the app, click on the file you want to select, hold the control key, and while holding the control key, you still click on the other files you want to select as well. In this case, we're okay with one, and just continue holding the control key until we've selected the file, upload it to Tax Wizard, and it will process it and let you know how much tax you have to pay. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.